Demonstration 1: Security. Our platform has inbuilt configurable multi-factor authentication for access. Two-factor authentication will be configured to ensure the highest level of account security. Account creation is via standard email registration and includes account verification by administrator role, ensuring a validated, secure user environment. Our solution is cloud-based, FedRAMP approved, hosted to ensure 99% uptime. It contains HTTPS encryption and best practices security, data breach security protection, and protections from DOS attacks. Encryption-based security is utilized as well as role-based security permissions. We have implemented security safeguards designed to protect your information in accordance with FIPS 140 and FIPS 199 standards. Data at rest and in transit is end-to-end encrypted. Our platform securely stores in Amazon EC2 relational database the proposals submitted by offerors throughout the duration of the solicitation lifecycle and provides all proposal information to NITAC at any time during or after submissions or any other time during the project performance period. Team Z will provide all submission proposals in a mutually agreed upon format to NITAC. Our platform has inbuilt role-based security to provide the user access to features and functions according to their approved role. An approval workflow module will be configured based on NITAC requirements such that adequate delegation of authority is enforced. The system access is role-based to ensure flexibility as well as control over the entire process. The platform will disable and enable user accounts at NITAC's direction. The NITAC system administrators manage this task and use the user management function for account management. The platform is scalable for geographically dispersed environment hosted primarily in the AWS Cloud US East, FedRAMP approved. Our data is backed up in real time, both hot and cold backups in AWS Cloud FedRAMP approved, ensuring that at any given time the data is secure and retrievable. Our platform leverages AWS Business Continuity Services for uninterrupted access. Our platform compiles and maintains a complete audit trail of all offeror activities, the proposal process, including offeror upload within the dates and times identified in the solicitation. NITAC system administrators have real-time access to the audit reports. Our source selection tool differentiates documents and notes from pre-decision documentation which are required for official contract file containment. The identification information that needs to be segregated can be done by NITAC system administrators on the platform. The platform is capable of handling unlimited simultaneous access government staff or evaluators, government and support contractors, users. Thank you. Demonstration 2: Pre-proposal phase. During the pre-proposal process, our source selection tool creates accounts for government and support contractor personnel with secure role-based access permissions designated by the NITAC contracting officer. The account creation is done under the role-based security module, wherein the system administrator or the contracting officer can enter the email IDs of the government and support contractor personnel and assign appropriate roles to each user. On assignment of roles, the selected personnel will receive an automated email about the new account created for them and prompt them to sign in to the platform. Our source selection tool has a number of built-in features which include the ability to accept, ingest, and manage large volumes of questions submitted by not only the government but the vendor community in response to both draft and final solicitation iterations. The entire Q&A feature is electronic with the capability of exporting to Microsoft Excel. Our user-friendly platform has an intuitive, easy-to-use web interface for potential offerers to log in for account creation. Our platform has all vendors from sam.gov already pre-boarded, and this will help with the onboarding of the vendors. When a vendor signs up to the platform, if the vendor information is already present in sam.gov, the platform will assign their organization on the platform to the vendor. This data is synced with sam.gov data. This will help the vendor with exact organization information that is contained in sam.gov, including their DUNS, CAGE, socioeconomic status, and other relevant information about their organization. This is a very important feature for this initiative as vendor data needs to be accurate and cannot contain any discrepancies. Our platform uses sam.gov data as the accurate vendor data and links it to the vendor on sign-up. Our platform also connects with SBA and VIPS for vendor classification data. Team Z will produce user guides throughout the life cycle of the NITAC task. The first user guides will support and assist offerers and evaluators to manage and facilitate proposal submissions. We will provide trainings, FAQs, tutorials, and an online virtual assistant chatbot. Each of these training support tools enhances submission and management of proposals. Our platform has inbuilt user guides, video tutorials, FAQs, and a virtual assistant chatbot that will be further configured to NITAC's requirements. Our platform has the submitted solicitations feature enabled, where potential offerers can view their submission progress via a dashboard. The vendors can access this information, including their submission details, real-time via the vendor submitted solicitations dashboard. Our platform is a FedRAMP certified cloud-hosted web-enabled application that collects questions and distributes answers. Thank you. Demonstration 3. Proposal Phase. Team Z's proposal evaluation tool solution is comprised of a web interface for offerers to submit forms and proposal volumes. Various types of files can be uploaded. Some of these are JPG, PNG, MS Excel, MS Word, PDF, TXT, PPT, etc. The platform can be configured to include additional file types if requested by NITAC. Our platform has built-in virus and malware protection with detection capability that automatically checks submitted materials for viruses. This feature is enabled for all data that resides or transmits on the platform. Our platform technology will disable proposal submissions after the time designated for receipt of proposals has expired. Our platform has built-in functionality to generate email confirmation receipts for registration in the automated solution portal and includes email confirmation for proposal submission, proposal Q&As, and proposal clarifications and discussions if desired. Each user has an inbox and outbox where emails are stored and viewed. Team Z will deploy self-scoring assessment forms for prospective vendors from self-scoring information provided by NITAC to be completed and submitted by offerers. The self-scoring assessment templates are electronic, and each question on the assessment can be assigned weights to help automatic scoring and can be further configured to NITAC requirements. Team Z has already configured the CIOSP4 self-scoring template in our minimal viable product or baseline solution from the draft CIOSP4 solicitation that NITAC issued in December 2020. Our platform is already integrated with the system for reward management for the ingestion of offerers' contact information. Our platform has secure API endpoints that are leveraged to interface this data with other systems of NITAC's choice. System has built-in secure API endpoints that are leveraged to interface data with the Vets First verification program for verifying offerers' veterans-owned and service-disabled veteran-owned status. Our platform has been implemented with the VA OSDBU for this purpose, and this verification is now being transitioned to the Small Business Administration. Our platform has built-in APIs to continue this verification service with the SBA. Demonstration 4. Source Selection Phase. Our platform has the capacity to accommodate many variations of source selection approaches. These inherent features include adjectival ratings, numerical scoring, and to aggregate complete electronic solicitation with no paper documents involved. Our platform's Compass module designs workflows that allow NITAC to mirror the source selection organization structure and role assignments. The NITAC system administrator can create any number of electronic evaluation templates and assign them to evaluation teams based on their roles. The templates can have any levels of evaluation complexity, and the workflows can be configured to multi-level hierarchies. Our platform has advanced sort, filter, and ordering of offerers' information in a variety of ways via analytics. Our tool will sort automatically offerers' business size, socioeconomic status, provide a numerical score and rating to each. Multi-dimensional data view capabilities can be made available to NITAC if desired. Our platform's console module assembles and supports the initial, intermediate, and final individual evaluator proposal evaluations and will rank them for NITAC if requested. This will include individual characteristics, examples, strength, weaknesses, risk, deficiency, etc. of each offerer's proposals, rating and rationale of each offerer's proposal, adjustments to numerical scoring and evaluation report generation for each offerer's proposal, etc. Our tool manages the aforementioned data adjectively, numerically, or combinations of both if requested by NITAC. Thank you.